Andrew Limit Tan is a Chinese-born Filipino business magnate and investor. His conglomerate companies Alliance Global Group, Inc. and Megaworld Corporation presides a wide extension of business interests in real estate, liquor, casinos, high technology, resorts, and restaurants. In 2011, Forbes magazine rated him 4th on the list of the Philippines' 40 richest with an estimated net worth of $2 billion. As of August 2023, Forbes magazine ranks him as the 11th wealthiest person in the Philippines, with his net worth of $2.4 billion United States dollars. Originally an immigrant from China and a supporter of the Communist Party, Tan was born in Quanzhou, Fujian Province. He spent his childhood at an apartment in Hong Kong, which was shared by other families. Later, he moved to Manila, where he studied accounting at University of the East. Tan runs the Alliance Global Group, Inc. Aggie. It is composed of 3 companies: Megaworld Corporation, Emperador Distillers, Inc., and Golden Arches Development Corporation. Megaworld Corporation, a real estate corporation engaged in developing condominiums. It has subsidiaries called Empire East Land Holdings and SunTrust Properties. It was dubbed by Finance Asia, a business tabloid, as the best managed company and the best in corporate governance in the Philippines for 2006. Emperador Distillers, Inc., best known for its Emperador brandy, which became the world's best-selling brandy in 2006, and Emperador Light. What made it successful was how it was promoted. Instead of following other liquor advertisements that feature attractive women and other dainty images, the ads of Emperador brandy emphasize successes in life and moral values. Golden Arches Development Corporation operates McDonald's franchises. Personal life: he is married with 4 children and lives in Manila, Philippines. His eldest son, Kevin L. Tan, was appointed CEO of Alliance Global Group, Inc. In 2018, his other son, Kendrick Tan, is an executive director in Emperador, Inc. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.